Good evening, I'm Miss Allman, and I'm going to be your biology teacher this year, or your child's biology teacher this year, here at Mount Pleasant High School. So first off, I want to thank y'all for coming into the meeting tonight, and had some video issues, so we're going to try this again. But if you have any questions, all my contact information is on my webpage where you'll find this video. So just get in touch with me, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So this is my schedule. So you either have me for second or third block biology or fourth block for honors biology. Before Monday, you're going to want to make yourself familiar with our schedule. This is the times that your child will need to come and sign in and be counted present in their classes. So just make sure that you know how this works, okay? So what we have here is hour-long classes with 10-minute breaks in between after this first amount of time for homeroom, if needed. Okay. So a little bit about me. Again, I'm Miss Allman, and so I am from Randolph County, and I have a Bachelor of Science degree in Fisheries and Wildlife Sciences with a concentration in wildlife, and minors in both plant biology and environmental science. When I graduated from NC State, I went to North Carolina A&T State University, where I got a Master of Science degree in environmental science. I live near Mount Pleasant with my husband and our daughter Aspen, and you'll get to know her because she's here with me, so she'll be showing up in my videos, guaranteed. We have a plethora of critters, I say. We have 2 dogs and a cat, a rabbit, a fish, and 5 chickens. I love to travel, and anywhere I can go is fine with me. Yellowstone is a #1 favorite, though. And love to spend time outdoors. I love to read and drink coffee. So that's just a little bit about me. We'll get to know each other a lot as the semester goes on, though. I just want to make sure that everybody has a chance to get their Chromebook. If you skipped out and didn't go get one because you have one that you plan to use, please still go get one. We're a one-to-one school, and that means that there's a Chromebook for everyone. And there may be some things coming up later in the semester where you'll have to have a school-supported Chromebook in order to take part in certain activities. So just make sure that if you haven't been yet, that you go either Thursday or Friday to get that. Obviously, this is a very different year. Our open house, virtual open house, was a first. And so it's going to be a different year. And it's also going to be very different from the spring. Even though, yes, we're virtual in the spring, it's still very different this semester. Especially as far as attendance is concerned. Attendance is counting, grades are counting. And also, so far, we don't have any indication that state testing is going to be waived. And that's important to us in biology because we do have an EOC in biology. So as of now, that's the information we have to go on. And again, we just don't see any news just yet coming out about exams being waived, so let's not expect that. A supply list, if I had to make a supply list, I would say you're going to need some dependable writing instruments and some paper. I am still a go-to for paper. I keep a notebook by me at my computer all the time so that I can just jot down ideas and thoughts. Don't worry about the calculator. I'm sorry I didn't get that taken out of there in time. And most importantly, all of us need to have a very large supply of patience, flexibility, and grace. Thank y'all for having that with me this evening with my video. And I will have it for you guys as well. Plenty of patience, flexibility, and grace. Canvas and Microsoft Teams, these are going to be the 2 things that we're going to be using the most. So if you get to a point that you've clicked too many links or you don't know where you're at or what you're doing, go back to Canvas every time. Just go back to Canvas. Everything is going to originate from Canvas. Synchronous learning, however, is going to take place through Microsoft Teams. You may already have an invite in your email about that. Not sure, but it's been set up. And if you don't have the invite, do not panic because I will post the link to the Teams in Canvas for Monday morning. And speaking of Canvas, you may not be able to see our course in Canvas just yet. Don't worry about it. It's okay. All right. Grades, again, I know I said already that grades are going to be different. from the spring, and they are. It's back to very similar the way that it was before um, the COVID pandemic. So we're back to the 10-point scale, and grades are going to be updated weekly in Power School, so make sure that you're checking. Students and parents, please make sure that you're checking Power School. And if you don't remember or can't find Power School, check out the school webpage under quick links. Attendance is going to be taken each day. This is also a change from the policy this past spring. Attendance was not counted, but attendance is going to be counted for the fall 2020 semester. And if you have any questions about that, refer to the school webpage for some more information. Students, it is my hope that you plan to participate and actively engage in our class every day. I want you to take responsibility for your learning and your choices and your actions. And I want you to understand that it is okay to struggle. If you come in here and you know everything already, then I don't really know why you're taking biology. So I expect you to not know everything, and that is okay. It's okay to not know, but it's not okay to not try. So let's just keep that in mind as we're going throughout this semester, okay? And in your actions and behaviors, you should respect your teacher, your classmates, and yourself. Parents, I want you to know that biology is challenging. It's not a simple memorization anymore, but we are actually going to be developing understandings and making connections through lots of different sciences. But I want you to be encouraged, though, that when your child is struggling, it's okay. And in order for you to help them, this is just some tips, things that you could do, is have them reflect on things that have worked for them in other areas, whether it's organization or time management, or, if they just haven't figured out a good schedule just yet, help them with that. And always feel free to check in with me, and I'll be glad to help you out there as well. But check your child's grade in Power School, and that's going to help them to stay on track and also help them to keep up with their assignments as well. Anytime you have questions or concerns, email or text me through Remind. And please be sure to fill out the parent contact form that's on my website near this video. So I'm so glad that you came by to learn some more about this course and to stay informed of how this year is going to go. Again, you can find all my contact information on my webpage, and I'm so looking forward to getting to know each of you students and your parents throughout the semester. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.